Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 23 of the best of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is one created by Susan Stringfellow for Sketch Savvy blog, and I am starting with two photos just exactly like the sketch. And let me show you my background papers. Let me get down here to it. Let me move those out of the way. Here are my two photos. And here are my background pieces. Yes, I'm finally going to cut into that floral paper. And then I have this with the yellow gold stripes. Then I have several scraps. I have this one, I have these, and I have this one as part of the introduction sheet, and then this longer one. It had the hearts, black hearts on the other side, but I want to use it for that side. Other things that I have pulled in to use are my ephemera bin. I've pulled in these tags. I don't think I'm going to use all three of them, but I do want to use at least one of them. I pulled in a couple of pocket page cards. I pulled in these two different washi tapes. I pulled in this sticker sheet because I want to try and use that one final sticker. These labels. These chipboard shapes or chipboard words, this alphabet, and this alphabet. So that's everything I'm starting with. I do allow myself to pull in additional supplies as I see fit, but here's where I'm starting, and give me a second. I will show you a close-up of the photo, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 23. Let me show you what I did not use. I did not use this pocket page card, nor did I use this tag, but I used the other two. I take that back. I only used one. I don't know what I did with the other one. I guess I put it back already. I don't know what I did with it. But I pulled three, and I only used one. And those will go back into my stash. These are the cutoffs for the pattern paper that I used. Here is the larger piece of the floral, and then all of the smaller cuts off the pattern paper. That one was all part of this. Let me see. It was all one piece, and so you can see I cut them apart and used here and here to cut some banner strips. I used this Hip Kit Club nested tag and label metal dies. It's a relatively recent purchase for me. I bought it on their National Scrapbook Day clearance sale. And so I used just this little die here. I did use a washi tape, and oh, never mind, I used two. I cut two down, and then I have two on my layout from the two that I cut down. Those are the leftovers. I did finish off a last piece from this sheet, and I used a portion of one on this sheet. I did use one from here. I think I used a couple from here, and I just transferred over to this carrier to get rid of this sheet and to put them all on here that matched. I believe I used one from here. I did use both alphabets, this to create my title, this to do part of my journaling. I did finish off the last label on this sheet, and I did use one label from here. I used the enamel dots. I used the chipboard frame or words. I did use the puffy stickers. I did use some of the ephemera from here, and I finished off the last sticker on this here. Oh no, wait, I have one more. Oh man, I thought I was done with this one, so I have one more on there. Anywho, this is the layout that I created. It is of my granddaughter Zoe playing outside in the rain at my mom's house in Mississippi. There on hot summer days, you can be outside playing in the rain. There was no thunderstorm to go along with it. It was just a rainy afternoon. And so she was playing in her little blow-up pool with the rain coming down. I know it doesn't translate onto the camera, but there's actually raindrops in the sky there that you can see when you look at the photo. Anywho, yeah, so I created these two little banners down here using toothpicks. I just picked up a handful when we were out to eat one time and put them in my travel bag, and I used those to create these little banner sticks. One stick is almost all the way under there. I cut the tips off there, popped up my photo a little bit so that those sticks would fit under there. Put a label here with the journaling. That's the pocket page card I made into a tag. There's all the journal strip or the journaling back there, or here with the washi tape and strips behind it. My title. There's a tag, and here's a tag. More tags, sorry, tab, if you will, and more tags over here. And that was that one small piece of scrap paper that I just cut it in half and extended it. There was a strip of paper there that went all the way across here. It looks like it goes all the way across, but it doesn't. It's cut from smaller pieces. Same with this one, it doesn't go all the way across. It's just cut to make it look that way. Two chipboard pieces and then that puffy outline. So there's layout number 23 done. Make sure, if you're interested, stick around and watch the close-ups at the end of the video. If you're interested, you can follow along at hashtag best of 30DSCBL and see all the layouts that people are posting every day who are tagging themselves, or Christy is tagging to that playlist. Anywho, I would love for you to stick around and see more videos that I create. Make sure ring that bell if you're not already subscribed. Subscribe to my videos and ring that bell, and you'll be notified tomorrow when I post a new layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.